Imagine a cruise ship where you can zipline 9 decks high, dive into an aquadome with gravity-defying performances, and experience the world's first suspended infinity pool. Welcome to part 2 of the luxury-packed, adventure-filled reality of the world's biggest cruise ships. Let's start with the Allure of the Seas, floating paradise where luxury and entertainment meet at sea. They say cruise ships are just floating hotels, but Allure of the Seas laughs in the face of that definition. This is an entire city at sea, a city with its own parks, theaters, neighborhoods, and nightlife. Launched into service in December 2010 by Royal Caribbean International, Allure was once the largest cruise ship in the world, and even today, it's still one of the most mind-blowingly massive passenger vessels ever built. This titan of the seas clocks in at a staggering 226,838 gross tons, stretches 360 meters in length, that's longer than the Eiffel Tower laid on its side, and towers 72 meters high with 18 decks stacked with entertainment, accommodations, and adventure. It comfortably carries around 6,780 guests at maximum occupancy and is staffed by a crew of over 2,200. But what really sets Allure apart isn't just its size, it's the surreal level of luxury and immersion. You get access to a floating universe where each corner feels like a new world. There's an actual open-air garden on board, filled with over 12,000 real plants and trees, tucked between specialty restaurants and designer boutiques. Fly across the ship on a zip line suspended 9 decks above the boardwalk, and the Aqua Theater serves up death-defying diving performances right at the ship's stern, while the main theater stages full-blown Broadway musicals like Mamma Mia with Broadway-caliber talent. For dining, you can try over 25 unique venues, ranging from upscale steakhouses to sushi bars to cupcake shops. And for entertainment, you've got a carousel, ice skating rink, comedy clubs, jazz lounges, a casino, rock climbing walls, and even a surf simulator, all on the same ship. And here's the most fascinating part. The layout is so cleverly designed into neighborhood, each with its own vibe, that it feels like an entire town is floating with you across the ocean. If you're craving futuristic luxury, next up is the MSC World Europa, where technology and relaxation blend seamlessly. The MSC World Europa is the city of the future, powered by clean fuel, dripping with innovation, and shaped like something NASA would build if they cared about pool decks and champagne bars. Launched in late 2022, this next-generation cruise ship from MSC Cruises is a statement, a bold, shimmering 22-deck declaration that cruising can be luxurious, sustainable, and thrilling all at once. Clocking in at 215,863 gross tons, World Europa is slightly smaller than Allure in mass, but makes up for it in pure design shock value. It's 333 meters long, 68 meters high, and can carry a staggering 6,762 passengers along with 2,138 crew members. This ship has a split superstructure, meaning the rear of the ship is cut open in the middle, creating an aerodynamic shape and allowing for one of its wildest features, the Venom Drop. This is no ordinary slide. The Venom Drop at the spiral is a dry stainless steel slide that spans 11 decks, making it the longest slide at sea. It twists, spirals, and spits passengers out at jaw-dropping speed. But that's just one layer of madness. The ship's central attraction is the World Promenade, an open-air, 104-meter-long walkway lit by LED ceilings and lined with shops, bars, and fine dining. At night, it transforms into a futuristic light show with aerial performances and dancing fountain. For those who prefer peace over party, there's the Zen Pool, tucked away in the adult-only zone, with infinity views that make you feel like you're floating into nothingness. But World Europa isn't all flash. It's also the most eco-forward ship MSC has ever launched. It runs on liquefied natural gas, LNG, significantly reducing CO subscript 2 and sulfur emissions compared to traditional marine fuel. It also features an advanced wastewater treatment system, smart HVAC technology, and a hull design that minimizes drag for better fuel efficiency. And now we have the Costa Soralda, where Italian elegance takes center stage aboard a truly stunning ship. When you step onto Costa Soralda, you're entering a floating tribute to Italian luxury and elegance. Launched in 2019 by Costa Cruises, this ship is a masterpiece of design, blending modern technology with Italy's timeless charm. Stretching 337 meters in length, 68 meters high, and weighing 185,010 gross tons, it carries over 6,500 passengers and a crew of 1,646. The ship's Italian-inspired design is immediately apparent, with artful touches that evoke Italy's rich history. The central atrium, a breathtaking three-deck space, features a futuristic LED ceiling that transforms throughout the day, mimicking the changing light of the Mediterranean sun. Stroll through the corridor, and you'll find mosaic tiles and Venetian glass chandeliers, creating an ambiance of refined luxury. Feels like a floating art gallery. But Costa Soralda isn't just about looks. The ship is home to multiple fine dining venues, including traditional Italian trattorias and more upscale restaurant. Colosseo, a grand three-level entertainment space, showcases live performances against a backdrop of massive LED screens, offering a spectacle of music and theater unlike anything you've ever seen on the high seas. For relaxation, the Solemio Spa offers a serene retreat featuring a thermal suite and a variety of indulgent treatments, all inspired by the calm, healing nature of the Italian coast. The San Remo Theater provides nightly performances, and the Piazza di Spagna, a nod to Rome's famous Spanish Steps, offers a beautiful space for socializing or just soaking in the ship's atmosphere. Costa Smeralda is also at the forefront of eco-friendly technology. Powered by liquefied natural gas, LNG, it dramatically reduces the ship's environmental impact by cutting CO2 and sulfur emissions. The ship is a perfect example of how luxury and sustainability can coexist without compromise. Moving on, we've got the Arvia, a ship that promises endless sunshine and unforgettable adventure on every deck. Arvia is nothing short of a bright, dazzling beacon on the high seas. Launched in 2022 by P&O Cruises, this 185,581 gross-ton ship is designed to be a floating paradise. With 344 meters in length, 70 meters in height, and 20 decks, it is built to cater to over 6,600 passengers and a crew of 1,800. One of the ship's defining features is its dedication to bringing the outdoors in. The Sky Dome, a glass-roofed pool area, transforms seamlessly from a daytime relaxation spot into an entertainment venue at night. The outdoor spaces of Arvia are expansive, giving passengers the opportunity to truly connect with the sea and sky in a way few other ships allow. And if you're looking for an adrenaline rush, the Altitude Skywalk provides a high ropes course with panoramic views, letting you feel the thrill of being suspended above the ocean. In addition to the outdoor experiences, Arvia offers world-class entertainment and dining. The ship is home to the 710 Club, an exclusive venue with live music curated by Gary Barlow. The ship's dining options are equally impressive, with numerous restaurants that serve everything from casual bites to Michelin-quality meals. There's a chef's table experience, perfect for anyone seeking culinary indulgence, and a pizzeria that serves up authentic Italian slices that will transport you straight to Naples. What truly sets Arvia apart, however, is its approach to sustainability. Powered by LNG, liquefied natural gas, Arvia is one of the more eco-conscious ships in the fleet, offering reduced emissions and a commitment to greener practices. For those seeking even more thrills, Arvia offers immersive experiences such as Mission Control, an escape room challenge that's perfect for both beginners and experienced puzzle solvers. And when you want to unwind after a day of adventure, there's the Tranquil Oasis Spa, which offers a wide range of treatments that will leave you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. Next, we have MSC World America, which is a floating city that redefines luxury, entertainment, and sustainability on the high seas. Launched in April 2025, this state-of-the-art vessel is MSC Cruises Battle Seas. Verstatuwasa dasar satu seas. Ship purpose-built for the American market, setting sail from Port Miami to the Caribbean and Bahamas year-round. Spanning 333 meters, 1,093 feet in length, 47 meters, 154 feet in width, and towering 68 meters, 223 feet high. MSC World America is a marvel of modern engineering. With a gross tonnage of 215,863 gross tons, it boasts 22 decks, 2,614 cabins, and accommodates up to 6,762 passengers, alongside a crew of 2,138. Step aboard, and you're greeted by 7 distinct districts, each offering unique experiences. The harbor is a family-friendly zone featuring the exhilarating Cliffhanger, the only overwater swing ride at sea, and a ropes course that promises thrills for all ages. For those seeking tranquility, the Zen area provides a serene retreat, while the Aqua Deck offers refreshing pools and slides. Culinary enthusiasts will be delighted by the ship's diverse dining option. The highlight is the Eataly at Sea, the first of its kind, bringing authentic Italian flavors to the ocean. Additionally, guests can enjoy a variety of cuisines across 19 dining venues, including Kaido Sushi Bar, Hola, Tacos and Cantina, and Paxos Restaurant, ensuring a gastronomic journey like no other. Entertainment abounds with 20 bars, cafes, and lounges, including a sports bar, a comedy club, and a gin bar, catering to every taste and mood. The Luna Park Arena offers a carnival-style experience with bumper cars and game, while the Panorama Lounge provides stunning ocean views for a more relaxed setting. Sustainability is at the forefront of MSC World America. The ship operates on LNG, significantly reducing emissions and ensuring a cleaner cruising experience. This commitment to the environment is complemented by the ship's design, which includes energy-efficient technologies and waste reduction system. And finally, let's explore the Star of the Sea, where unparalleled luxury and heart-racing adventure await every passenger. Star of the Seas is a floating universe of adventure, luxury, and innovation. Set to debut on August 31st, 2025, this monumental vessel is the second ship in Royal Caribbean's Icon class, following the groundbreaking launch of Icon of the Seas. Homeported at Port Canaveral, Florida, it will embark on 7-night sailings to the eastern and western Caribbean, including stops at destinations like St. Kitts, San Juan, Cozumel, and the exclusive Perfect Day at Coco Cay. With a gross tonnage of 250,800 gross tons, Star of the Seas is a marvel of modern engineering. It boasts a capacity of 5,610 passengers at double occupancy, with potential for up to 7,293 guests at full capacity, and is serviced by a crew of 2,350. This makes it one of the largest and most luxurious cruise ships in the world. Designed with families in mind, Star of the Seas offers a plethora of activities and amenities. The Aquadome features a mesmerizing morphing waterfall and hosts superhuman stunt-filled performances that push the boundaries of bravery. For winter sports enthusiasts, the ship's Absolute Zero Ice Arena offers high-resolution digital projection, transforming the space into a dynamic, immersive environment. Entertainment options are abundant, with Broadway-style stage productions, comedy shows, live music performances, and more. The ship's design includes 8 distinct neighborhoods, each offering unique experiences, from beach retreats to resort escapes and theme park adventures. Accommodations aboard Star of the Seas are nothing short of luxurious. The ship offers a range of staterooms, including suites with multi-level sun decks and private pools, providing guests with unparalleled comfort and privacy. Sustainability is a cornerstone of Star of the Seas design. The ship is powered by LNG, significantly reducing emissions and ensuring a cleaner cruising experience. This commitment to the environment is complemented by energy-efficient technologies and waste reduction systems throughout the vessel. Which of these colossal ships amazed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe. More jaw-dropping adventures are on the way.